Did you know that these tiny seeds contain more omega-3 fatty acids per gram than salmon? That's just the beginning. Chia seeds, a simple addition to your daily diet, have the potential to dramatically improve your heart health and overall well-being. If you think heart health requires complicated changes, you're in for a surprise. Stick around as we uncover why chia seeds are a game changer for your cardiovascular health. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about chia seeds, one of the most powerful superfoods you might already have in your pantry. Despite their small size, chia seeds pack an incredible nutritional punch that can significantly impact your health, particularly your heart. With heart disease being one of the leading causes of death worldwide, we're all looking for ways to protect our hearts. And guess what? This tiny seed could be the easiest step toward better heart health. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why chia seeds deserve a spot in your diet. Heart disease is a major global health concern, accounting for 1 in 4 deaths in the United States alone. Conditions like high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and inflammation are becoming increasingly common. These issues often result from poor diet and lifestyle choices, yet they are also highly preventable with the right strategies. Despite advances in medicine, we still underestimate the role that diet plays in preventing and managing these conditions. Think about this: every meal you eat is an opportunity to strengthen or weaken your heart. Unfortunately, many people opt for convenience foods that lack the nutrients needed to protect their cardiovascular system. What if one small addition to your diet could help turn the tide? That's where chia seeds come in. Let's dive into the nutritional powerhouse that is the chia seed. These seeds may be tiny, but they're packed with essential nutrients your heart needs to stay healthy. Here's what makes them so special: omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and lower levels of bad cholesterol, or LDL. These healthy fats are critical for maintaining flexible blood vessels and reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Fiber. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains about 5 grams of fiber. Fiber helps lower blood pressure, supports healthy digestion, and can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It also slows the absorption of sugars, stabilizing blood sugar levels and keeping your energy consistent throughout the day. Protein. With about 4 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons, chia seeds provide a plant-based source of this important macronutrient. Protein helps repair tissues, maintain muscle, and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Antioxidants. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants protect the heart from damage and aging. Calcium and magnesium. These minerals are essential for maintaining healthy heart rhythms and strong bones. Magnesium, in particular, helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of hypertension. What's more, chia seeds are versatile and easy to use. You can sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or soak them overnight to create a pudding. They're tasteless, which means they'll blend right into your meals without altering the flavor. Science backs up what ancient civilizations knew: chia seeds are a powerhouse for health. A recent study found that participants who added chia seeds to their daily diet experienced a significant reduction in blood pressure, particularly those with pre-existing hypertension. Another study showed improvements in cholesterol profiles, with reductions in LDL and increases in HDL, the good cholesterol. But it's not just about the research. Real-life stories also illustrate their impact. Take Jane, for example, a busy professional in her 40s. She started adding chia seeds to her breakfast smoothies after a health scare. In just a few months, her cholesterol levels improved, and her doctor was amazed at the results. Simple changes, like incorporating chia seeds, can make a lasting impact on your heart health. Let's recap why chia seeds are such a powerful ally for your heart health. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants, all of which work together to lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy blood pressure. They're easy to use, affordable, and incredibly versatile. From smoothies to salads to puddings, there's no shortage of ways to include them in your diet. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to support your cardiovascular system, chia seeds are an easy win. They might be small, but their impact is anything but. Now it's your turn. Have you tried chia seeds? If so, how do you use them in your meals? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on superfoods and healthy living. And don't forget to check out our previous video where we explored the benefits of other powerful superfoods. Thanks for watching, and here's to better heart health for all of us.